Guys, what is the crack? Whether you're catching this in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, or the night, hope you're feeling good and having fun. Just wanted to give you a little reminder about what we're actually at here in the crypto space, in the Bitcoin space, because everyone comes for the money, myself included. All right, let's not say everyone. 99.9% of people come for the money, and then the technology changes all your world beliefs, and you realize that this is much bigger than just making a lot of money. And the byproduct of it is that you are going to make a lot of money. So, what's actually happening here in this space? Okay, if we look at Bitcoin, we've created perfect money, sound money, digital money. We've created digital energy. We've created money that's backed by energy. Okay, just like gold, but we've created a digital version of it. And unlike gold, which has all the problems of audibility, like how do you know it's real gold? Central bank can show you a picture of gold, but like, come on, how do you know it's real gold? You got to test it. How do you trust the people that are testing it? Well, you have to trust. So it's a trust system. It's a system based on trust. Well, yet, what we've created is a system that's not based on trust. It's a trustless system. It's perfection. Okay? Because humans, if you've studied history, we can't be trusted. There's thousands and thousands of years of recorded history of humans that we can't handle the power. Power corrupts, and absolute power corrupts absolutely, or something like that. Isn't that what they say? So we've now created perfect digital money, and it's just a matter of time and education before everyone figures this out. And it's going to be a bottoms up movement. It's not top down. You see, why would the monopoly or the incumbent be incentivized to promote, educate, and build on top of something that's going to destabilize that whole system? All innovations, all new technologies, 99.9% of the time, probably more, are bottoms up movements, because the incumbents like the world as it is. Okay, the top 1% like being the wealthiest people in the world. All right, they enjoy that. There's no incentive for a new or a different system. But most of the world is not in the top 1%. So we're all incentivized to go, hey, if there's a better system, if there's a fairer system, well, I might want a piece of that. So that's what's happening in the Bitcoin space, in the crypto space. What's happening is, all right, at the moment, there's a couple of companies, a handful of companies, okay, have us all by the throat, by the absolute throat. Now, most of you haven't experienced this. Any of us who might have had any beliefs over the last 3 years to do with the bad flu, or the very bad flu, we'll just say, won't say the word, because it triggers algorithms. But you'll notice that you might have found your views, you were unable to share your views on that situation. So while a lot of people were ignorant and didn't realize the stranglehold of allowing a handful of companies to basically control what we can do, say, sell, purchase, or like on the digital world, like that centralized system is just an absolute disaster. Okay, so what we're doing here in Web 3.0 is we're decentralizing the world. We're taking the power away and giving it back to the people as it should be. Because when the internet was created, it was meant to be this decentralized World Wide Web, but it's not decentralized. The whole thing runs through, 5 companies. So it's the opposite of decentralized. It's heavily centralized. And Web 3.0, well, we're going to change all that. We're going to give you back your data, so you own it, okay? And whether this stuff's built on Bitcoin, or whether this stuff's built on altcoin protocols, or whether altcoin protocols are just testing grounds and ultimately end up getting built on Bitcoin, I don't care. It doesn't matter, okay? All that matters is that it's such a positive outlook ahead, okay? We get to decentralize the web, so the web operates as it should be, where people are free. You have freedom online, whereas we don't have freedom online at the moment. We have a closing and a narrow band of what we can and can't do online, and it's only getting smaller and smaller over time. Whereas Web3 is going to change all that. It's going to give you back your power, okay? It's going to give you back ownership over your data. It's going to give you back ownership of your digital avatar. It's going to give you back ownership of what you can and can't do online. And to me, that's exciting, okay? So we're going to fix the money, and we're going to fix the internet. And that's why it's a really exciting time to be alive. It's a really exciting time to be part of this digital space. And yes, it's going to make you a lot of money. But it's more than that, okay? It's going to make the world better. It's going to be better for everyone, okay? It's going to decentralize the monopoly on money so that we aren't going to have such a concentration of and a rigged game that makes it really, really difficult for 99.9% of the planet to play the game, while the 0.1% of the planet love the game and don't want it to change one bit. But we're going to change it. We're going to change it from bottoms up movement, and I hope you're part of it, and I hope you're excited as I am. Vinny out.